What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to TechCubed. And today we are going to go over how to increase your computer's speed by over 1,000%. Now, this is a great tutorial that'll help you improve the speed of your PC. This will fix all the problems you're having with your PC, because basically what we're going to be doing today is going and getting rid of a built-in virus that Microsoft puts on every single copy of Windows 10 called System32. We're going to be getting rid of that today, which will improve your PC in almost every single aspect. So the first thing you want to do is come down here to your File Explorer, go to this PC. First off, we need to find the folder, so go to Windows, and then you scroll down a little bit. You'll see something called System32. Now the thing is, Microsoft doesn't want you to get rid of this virus. They don't want you to get rid of it at all, because they need you to have it on there to spy on you and everything else like that. So what we need to do is take ownership of it. So what we need to do is go to Properties, Security, and then come down here to Administrators, and then you're going to want to click Advanced. Come over here to Change, and then right here you want to put in your username. Once you have your username in, then basically you just need to go check names, click OK, click this box right here, click apply, and then click yes, click continue. And it'll go through this process, and then you're gonna want to click OK, and then OK again. Okay, next thing you're gonna want to come down here and do is go to users, and then click edit, and then click on full control, click apply, and then click OK. And now, once you have done that, click OK again, and then open up the System32 folder, and then basically select everything and just delete it, because you don't need any of this. And then be sure to provide administrator access to everything. And sometimes it won't let you get rid of some things, but that is okay. You just want to get rid of all that you can. Even a little bit helps. So you just want to get rid of as much as you can. See, like, these things will keep popping up. I just want to click skip and then skip, you know. This will keep happening since there are a lot of safeguards in here that Microsoft puts in here that keeps System32 on here. But luckily, we did get rid of a decent amount of things on here. There is still a lot. However, we got rid of the bulk that needs to be gone. Next, you want to click on empty your recycle bin. And then, of course, provide administrator access. And then once that's done, come down here and then click restart, and that'll let all the changes take effect. Okay, so now Windows is starting, and as you can see, it has to go through its little process first. Now this is totally part of the plan right here, this blue screen, but just let it restart and you could use Windows normally. Anyway, I'll see you all next video. TechCubed over and out.